How to change region in Riot account League of Legends 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to change the region in Riot account for League of Legends, first of all you have to go to the Riot game sign up page, then select the desired region from the drop down menu and create a new account with a unique username or password. And after that you have to download the appropriate client for your new region and sign in and start playing. And the transferring your existing account is a paid option. So for that you have to log into your League of Legends client and go to the store, purchase the required 2600 Riot Points. Navigate to the account section in the store and select the new region you want to transfer to and confirm. And important considerations are like transfer limitations. You can only transfer your account once every 90 days and will lose your current season's rank progress. And champion skins and general progress will transfer, but things like rank league placement, honor level, and clash progress will not. And you can transfer back to your original region within 2 weeks of your last game played in the region. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.